But maybe in this scenario, Patrick, because I know a little bit about your background, maybe in this scenario you did come across a lab or some sort of research institution that does legitimately use R. Stippus says, howdy folks. Hey Stippus, nice to see you. Hope you're well. Alan says, I love the C languages. That's where a real programmer is made. Maybe. I went to my very first formal training was in C++. I went to a technical high school where I took some programming lessons, and my first language was C++. Hated it, but I can see what you mean about the C languages. Like I get it. Like I know why you would say that. But I was fortunate that I had a very good instructor for this C++ class. He was one of those instructors that was like a pain in the butt, but at the same time was a good guy in what he was teaching you. You know, he gave quality materials. He was just a little bit of a knucklehead about it, right? I don't like cursing on my stream, but you know, he was a jackass, right? But he gave good information. And one of the things I remember he told me, he said, look, it doesn't matter what language you know. It's about knowing how a program works. And the way he broke it down was, you got to know how to declare a variable, right? How to do, what did he call them? Oh my gosh, what is the word for them? Oh gosh, I'm sorry, I forgot. But you got to know how to code a variable. You got to know how to do your decision statements, right? Like your ifs, your case statements, right? There's a name for that. I just can't remember it right now. I'm running a blank. And then you got to know how to loop through things, right? You got to know how to declare a variable, make your decision statements of ifs and whens and elses and things like that.